Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Now in this video we're going to be doing another Donetsk Sergey Prokofiev International Airport update. Now today we have a late November slash early December update. Now as you can see, the weather today at the airport is pretty not sunny at all. It's actually really cloudy, and there is going to be rain in the afternoon, and it was pretty foggy in the morning. Now the time frame for this update is around 1 p.m. currently. So yeah, let's get into it. Now starting off here at the left side of the airport near the gate 5 and 6 of the airport. Here we have the Air Arabia Airbus A320. Now this aircraft just arrived in from Shara around 15 minutes ago. The passengers just got off the aircraft, and the crew are offloading the cargo, and the aircraft should start its turnaround in approximately 20 minutes, and he should depart back to Shara in around 1 hour. Now moving on to the terminal, here we have the Ukraine International 737-800. Now this aircraft here arrived in from Kiev Boryspil around 10 minutes ago. Now this aircraft did actually arrive in 15 minutes early to the airport, and he should be departing back out to Kiev in around 2:30 or 2:35 p.m. today, but there could be a delay because the airport is expecting to get some rain showers in the early afternoon. Now moving on, here we have a UTR 737-500. Now this aircraft today is getting ready to depart out to Moscow Vnukovo. He is getting ready to depart out there in around 45 minutes. Now they're loading on the catering, and final cargo should be loaded onto the aircraft in approximately 10 minutes. There were some passengers that did arrive to the airport a little too late, but boarding should still start on the expected time in around 15 minutes. Moving on to the next gate, we actually have an arrival of a new airline. Now this is the S7 Airbus A319, and this guy arrived in from Moscow Sheremetyevo, and he is gonna be departing out today to Rostov in around 2 hours. Now this guy did just arrive in, so the passengers still haven't gotten off the aircraft, but it is expected this aircraft would depart for his next flight on time. Now a new flight to the airport, I guess. Now I don't know if Airflot's gonna operate this flight as a seasonal flight, or is this just a one-time flight. But here we have the 737-800 from Aeroflot, and this aircraft is gonna be departing out to St. Petersburg in around 55 minutes. They're loading on the cargo, and the catering truck just arrived, so this aircraft should be departing in around 15 minutes. Now going over to the final aircraft at the terminal, here we have the Ukraine International subsidiary on their Embraer 145, and this aircraft is going to be departing out to Zaporizhia, and he arrived in from Kharkiv around 1 hour ago. There should not be any delays with this aircraft today, as he should be departing to Zaporizhia pretty quick, around 1 hour's time. So yeah. Now moving over to the remote stands, now you will see that we do have a missing aircraft that used to be in the last update. Now, we'll talk about it later, but for now let's focus on this Donbas Aero Airbus A319. Now this aircraft here just arrived in from Kiev, Giuliani, and here is going to be departing out to Minsk in around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now we still don't know if this aircraft's gonna have a delay on his departing route because of the rain showers that are gonna be in the early afternoon, which should bring some fog to the airport, which will reduce visibility. But for now, it is stated that this aircraft should depart on time. Now moving on to the far east side of the airport, here we have the Aeroflot Tupolev Tu-134, which is actually the abandoned side of the airport. This side of the airport is not used for commercial use. It is mainly used to store aircraft, and this is where the airport put the Aeroflot Tu-134. Now let's move on to the news segment of this video. Now the first news today comes from the Aeroflot museum aircraft, which is going to be still sitting at Donetsk because it needs to get a necessary part and the necessary documentation to fly it to Kiev Giuliani. Now the museum did order the part, but the part has still not arrived yet. And the aircraft has been sitting at the abandoned side of Donetsk airport for around 3 weeks time. Now it should, the museum stated that the aircraft should be flying back actually to Kiev Giuliani by the end of December. Now it could be delayed due to the part that has still not shipped, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Now another quick little news comes from Donetsk Airport, which announced that they're going to be putting up their Christmas decoration this week. Now they did started putting these Christmas tree decoration alongside the arrival/departure road, and they are going to be finishing their Christmas decoration by the end of the week. Well, alrighty everybody, I hope you did enjoy this Donetsk Sergey Prokofiev International Airport update. Now I'm sorry it was delayed. There were other little things going on in November that I had to do before this, and I kind of wanted to enjoy my Thanksgiving, just not do anything. Now I did have to do things on the Thanksgiving break when I had break from school, but I guess the videos that I planned to upload then were kind of pushed back. So yeah, this is when I'm uploading. There is one more video, which is the final Europe trip video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, fly safe.